For many carpenters, right-angle drill is one of the essential carpentry tools. It gives them the freedom to fasten and drill in a confined space. This tool can simplify the task that is hard to do when doing manually. If you're looking for a reliable and hard-working right-angle drill, then you are on the right channel. Focus yourself here because we will give you the 5 best right-angle drills in the market today. Whether you're eyeing for the best price or the most trusted brand, we've got you all covered. Let's get started. First on the list of the best right-angle drills is part of the Milwaukee M12 series tools. With a head size of just 3.75 inches, this compact right-angle drill is amazingly lightweight and durable. The power is still unbelievably high for its size. This Milwaukee right-angle drill has 3/8-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, designed for better grip and the ultimate comfort. It can deliver up to 100 inch-pounds of torque with a maximum speed of 800 revolutions per minute, while weighing only 2.25 pounds. With first-of-its-kind electronic clutch, not to mention its additional 12 torque settings and built-in LEDs to illuminate the work surface, it gives you complete control in fastening applications. It's considered right now as the most versatile right-angle drill in the industry. M12 right-angle drill has a cordless power source from 2 12-volt lithium-ion batteries that are both rechargeable, with onboard fuel gauge LEDs that display the remaining runtime. Once batteries run out, the charger inside the tool bag was also included for use anytime needed as part of the M12 starter kit. The charger could charge enough of the battery for as fast as only about 30 minutes. With a 5-year tool and a 3-year battery warranty, there is guaranteed of actual value for your money. All in all, the M12 right-angle drill is a powerful tool and perfect for drilling those challenging-to-reach spots. The overall balance of the device is right and had a decent weight that gives a solid feel to it. Drilling its way on the second spot is the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion right-angle drill kit. Its main feature is the 3/8-inch drill has dual speed options. The first one has maximum speed of 600 revolutions per minute, while the other one has a maximum speed of 2,000 revolutions per minute. This incredible feature gives more user flexibility. It also has a cordless power source of 120-volt lithium-ion battery that gives it a running time of about 4 hours. It comes in reasonably lightweight of only 3.9 pounds to lessen user fatigue. For the added comfort and efficiency of use, DeWalt 20-volt right-angle drill was designed with an overall length of 12 inches and a front-to-back length of 4 inches with a multi-grip trigger to allow the user to get into tighter spaces. The deep hex chuck enables the user to recess the bit further back into the head of the tool, shortening the overall front-to-back length of the drill with a bit inserted. With much faster speed and longer running time, this powerful tool could get a lot of drilling jobs from a single charge of the battery. Along with the kit, besides the tool itself and the detachable battery, is the ENERGY STAR qualified battery charger. All of these fit inside a safe and hard carrying case for convenient mobility. The right-angle drill is quite a handful, with a 3/8-inch chuck size that comes with built-in LED light to also illuminate the drilling spot. For some users, this light is blindingly too bright. Generally, the tool is practical to buy, especially for extensive use. With a 3-year warranty, DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion right-angle drill kit is a great right-angle drill to consider. Interesting, isn't it? Keep watching because we still have 3 more items to go. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so we can notify you whenever we upload our latest review. Let's continue. On the third drilling spot is the Makita 12-volt Max CXT lithium-ion right-angle drill kit. It has a maximum tremendous power of 245 inch-pounds of torque, and yet weighs only 2.7 pounds. For less than 12.5 inches long, this powerful drill has a variable speed of up to 1,100 revolutions per minute. Designed with rubberized soft ergonomic barrel grip and built-in LED lights to eliminate the working space, users rest assured of great convenience of use. Makita features this right-angle drill with a 12-volt lithium-ion battery of about 2 ampere-hours It was designed and engineered with a battery protection circuit to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. Integrated to its battery is another LED that serves as the battery charger indicator to know if the battery was charged to its full capacity. Another option, which is not part of the drill kit, is a 4 ampere-hour battery for longer running time. From Makita CXT series of powerful tools, making holes with this right-angle drill in hard-to-reach spots is possible of having just an angle height fewer than 3.4 inches. The angle is about half of the whole body for more effortless drilling in compact spaces without exerting too much pressure on the surface. There is an excellent balance of well-designed tool that is compact yet powerful enough to get the drilling job done. It was designed with ease of use in mind without compromising its torque power. With a guarantee of 3-year warranty on the tool, battery, and charger, the user could easily opt into this valuable tool. The fourth featured tool of the list is the Rigid JobMax 12-volt lithium-ion right-angle drill. It's great for budget-conscious users who need enough power to make basic drilling jobs. Rigid JobMax 12-volt lithium-ion right-angle drill has a variable speed of up to 550 revolutions per minute and 120 inch-pounds of torque. It's designed with a 3/8-inch single-sleeve chuck that holds bits tightly and securely. The user will have less fatigue as it's somewhat weighed at 5.3 pounds. This JobMax series from Rigid is also cordless powered with a 12-volt lithium-ion battery. However, the downside is that the battery and charger are not included and should be bought separately. The additional feature of the 4-position head that is adjustable will give the user better access in tight spaces. Besides the 90-day money-back guarantee, there is also this unique lifetime service agreement. With regards to power and speed, this could not compete with the first 3 featured tools. However, for good practical reasons, the low price still comes with excellent value for the money. Not to mention the lifetime service agreement, which is not offered in any other right-angle drill brand. You first need to register the item online for lifetime of free parts, service, and batteries. As of now, the Rigid JobMax right-angle drill is only available online. This is the second to the last featured tool and undoubtedly still one of the best power drilling tools on the market. Anyway, why would someone need an overpowered weapon in the first place for basic drilling needs? We love to read your comments and suggestions, so please don't hesitate to interact with us. Also, please watch our past reviews because this might give you an idea for your future buying decision. Let's finish on the last item. For the last featured tool, the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus right-angle drill is ideal for people looking for a DIY fix. For tight spaces, the additional advantage of the MagTray magnetic holder keeps the screws within easy reach on the user without worrying about dropping them. It's engineered with extended body for greater ease of use and efficient control. Also, the ergonomic grip zone helps the user to have a comfortable and secure grip. If your workplace is a little damp, you'll still be able to maintain a grip with a carefully designed hex rubber overmold on the handle. This allows you to maximum grip strength and freedom of movement in slippery conditions. This right-angle drill from Ryobi 1 Plus tool series has conveniently located forward and reverse selector for one-handed direction changes. Besides the integrated with LED to illuminate the workspace, the 3/8-inch single-sleeve chuck has spindle lock for quick and secure bit changes. With the right amount of 130 inch-pounds of torque power, this drill could speed up to 1,100 revolutions per minute. Given its functional working capacity, this power tool from Ryobi only weighed 3.23 pounds. It's another cordless power drill, and it has an 18-volt lithium-ion battery for power applications. However, the battery and the charger are not included in the kit. These should be purchased separately. The tag price is more than enough for the power delivered. With added magnet tray and well-thought-out design for ease of use, this excellent tool is an excellent buy for power drilling jobs. For peace of mind upon purchasing the product, a 90-day money-back guarantee is also given, besides the 3-year manufacturer warranty. And there you have them. We are all done reviewing the 5 best right-angle drills in the market to date. For prices and more information, please head over to the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified with our latest reviews. Also, If you find this video helpful, please recommend it to your friends and family to help them with their buying decisions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you again next time here on the ReviewTube channel.